You want to use a pen? Choka. Well. No.
Then
hiyo ni pati allowance yenye unaenda kutoa trimming, si ndio?
I'm supposed to use a single, not double.
Okay.
No, this is where you do the tacking.
Hiyo ya chini kwenye utaweka nini?
This is the fitting line. This is where you mesh. The first one.
The upper one was the fitting line.
This is the tacking line, and then this is the fitting line, where you pass your sewing machine like this.
Oh yeah.
You see?
You see?
This is also another way. This is tacking line. This is the. What's the name?
Machine. Pia sijui nilikuwa naona sijui something machine fail whatever stitch.
How you tack.
Sijaona ukitumia pins kokote.
Yes, but me personally, I usually use sewing first of all. It's better than using pins.
But kwa procedure uweke pins for marks.
Oh, this is the fitting line, I remember. Oh, after you're done tacking,
Go to your machine.
yes.
Scissors. Don't be a crude tailor.
Use a pair of
Scissors and trim off.
Yes, you trim off the unwanted one. Now, since I've forgotten to reinforce, but let me just use the pins like this.
Ulikuwa unatumia knot ku reinforce.
I've forgotten to reinforce this part. That should be like this. You're supposed to label this is
Wrong side.
Wrong side. This is wrong side, and then it's supposed to right side facing each other. Right side. Now open it like this. Since you'll sew this part using the machine stitches, which will be now like this. Let's say I've sewed it using the machine.
Not more than 3 seconds.
Like that.
You press down.
Yes.
Using an iron.
Yes.
For neatness.
You remove your tacking stitch. Now it should be like this. We are doing an open seam. In case when one is
You can cut one and maybe
when you're told to neaten,
fold
it.
sew down.
Yes. Like that. Same to this other side. You fold. Make seam down.
Hiyo itakuwa gani?
This is open, and also you can also do it to plain.
Yes, ni plain.
Like
oh, ukiacha wazi si ndio open?
Yeah, for heavy.
You have confused. Are you aware?
So imagine this is how you usually do plain, open seam.
Sio ndio plain, but open ungeacha bila kufold.
Kufold. Now this is open seam, and then if you are open heavy side.
Yeah,
plain seam.
Plain. Alafu now you can decide to use other knitting whatever. Maybe overlock. Machine felt.
Yeah, garment will come look like this.
Yes.
The right sides.
Which is neat.
Yes.